Idea Introduction. This first chapter is about how to get ideas for a startup. Solve your own problems. The most important thing is to find ideas from solving your own problems. You do that by looking at your own life and observing what your daily challenges are. Then you see if you could make those challenges easier using technology. If you solve your own problem, it's very realistic that there's many more people like you who would also love their problem solved. And that's pretty much what a business is, solving lots of people's problems in return for money. In startups, this business can be in the form of an application, a website, or even only just a physical service tied together with some technology. Your problem might just be everyone else's. My most successful project is Nomad List. It's a platform for remote workers and travelers to find places to go to and meet other people when they're there. When I built the first version of Nomad List, I was traveling through Asia. I was living in Chiang Mai, Bangkok, and Bali. I knew these places were good for digital nomads, but I didn't know what other cities to visit. I'd go to Singapore and discover it was nice, but also very expensive. I'd go to Vietnam and realize, wow, it's really cheap here, but the internet is unusably slow. I was looking for cities that were cheap to live, had fast internet, and warm temperatures. I thought, okay, maybe just make a list of cities with that data. It was just a private spreadsheet first. I added about 25 cities' temperature, internet speed, and cost of living. Then I wanted to share it. I tweeted the URL. But something was off. When I looked back, someone had hacked my spreadsheet. There were now about 75 cities, and it wasn't just temperature, internet speed, and cost of living. There was safety, best co-working space, and climate added as columns. Instead of sharing it as read-only, I had accidentally clicked editable by everyone. Suddenly, there were hundreds of people adding data about their cities and the cities they'd been to. After a month, thousands of people had added data about over 250 cities. This is a good example because I just wanted to solve my own problem, and it turned out it was thousands of other people's problem too. Your own problems are nice because often they're quite niche level, meaning you'll have enough other people with the same